Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm going to be giving a quick overview of this backpack slash duffel bag slash camping slash I don't know. It does a little bit more than I was hoping, and so I figured I'd share it in this video. So the first thing is it can be used as a backpack, like in this example. You have your cushion here, like a regular backpack. This is kind of cushioned all the way around, and then you have additional clips. So you have this that goes around your waist, which can be tightened. Also has a belt bucket here. So this can be tightened, this can be tightened, this can be tightened. And so you are locked in just to give you space, especially if you're hiking or using some walking sticks or whatever. You don't want to have anything to do. You want to free yourself up and give you full support all the way around, which is nice because it's holding you in all the way up and down versus just here at the top. Then on the back side, I'll give some close-ups here. This kind of gives you an idea as far as the size of this and how far down it hangs up top. So this is 6'1" from a person holding this, pretty good in size. If this could be used as a sporting equipment backpack or something, it pretty much has got a lot more uses than just a regular backpack because of the size, because of the depth. I'll get some stats on that as well, but very, very nice. Actually, very, very comfortable, which was something I wasn't really, it kind of took me by surprise. Cool stuff. So easy to come apart like this. These are also adjustable, so you can, depending on the size and the shoulder broadness or whatever, this can be made much, much longer. Then some close-ups here. So you got a carabiner that comes with this, heavy gauge carabiner. And this is all like this is this is pretty nice. Then you have a storage pocket here, sort of a water resistant in here. So if something by chance spilled in there, it's going to be kind of self-contained. Then you have another pouch here on this side that goes the full length down in here. Another compartment on that side. Another compartment all the way here. Then you got some mini compartments here, here. And then you have an additional shoulder strap. I'll share how that works here in a sec. Again, this is not just like a backpack. This is like can serve as a variety of different uses. This can be held this way. So you have a handle on the one side here. So if you were carrying this as a duffel bag, you could walk with it, like this, which is cool. This has if you didn't want this to be as thick, so you can call it with sort of a compression setting. So if you didn't want it to be as thick this way, then you could put these additional straps on and kind of shrink it down and pull it tight. Or if you just wanted to have some extra secure inside, cinching everything down nice and tight, you can do that. Cinching everything down nice and tight, you can definitely do that. So that's on all four sides. We're gonna go all the way around. What's also really cool is it has a USB port here on the outside. I'll share what that does here on the inside in a sec. Then you have a netted compartment here on the side. So if you want to have like a full-blown thermos or water bottle, plenty of storage here, or for whatever you wanted. You have another storage here. Again, these can all be cinched down nice and tight. You can put something in here this way. So if you want to have like, a towel or something this way, you could definitely do that. Cinch it down. That's in place. Then you have another storage spot here, which is also in that kind of waterproof protective inner coating, just in case. The material up close is like a heavy gauge canvas style, water resistant type material. Additional, just like a lot of extras here. Additional hooks for hooking things in place. We'll put all these on the straps that go around here, but here on both sides when you're holding this. You have an additional storage here, some like little mini storage. This also comes, so from a duffel bag type standpoint, this back piece unravels, zips up, and now it actually serves and kind of looks more like a duffel bag. So now the actual straps that would go around your shoulders are not even visible. If you wanted to carry it like this, you definitely could. So it's almost like a duffel bag. You could hold it like this, or you could put the shoulder strap on and carry it like this, or carry it like this, and like in this scenario. And if you want to have it short, you can carry it like this, I guess. All in all, this thing is it's kind of like the one-stop shop. So you have your backpack option, you have the duffel bag option, and it's just big enough to where it's gonna hold up to a lot of stuff. A close-up of the inside. There's an additional bungee strap here. This is the inside where the USB connection is. So let's just say you had a battery bank or something, you could have it connected here on the outside, as mentioned earlier. Then you have some additional storage on the inside, additional zipper pouches on the inside as well. Just a lot of pouches, storage all here on the inside, which is, I mean, just tons of stuff. Kind of give you some measurements on it. The width on it is roughly about 13, 12, probably close to 13 inches wide. The length, when it's fully, and then the full length this way, is about 24 inches. So it's pretty substantial. And when it's sitting in this position, to kind of give you some idea of the, and then the thickness this way, when you have it full, is about 6 to 7 inches this way. So you got a lot of storage if you want to use or need that much, depending on what you might be doing. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me, said, Ryan, can you give us an overview, a little tutorial about all the different things that our backpack, duffel bag, carrying case, if you will, has, and all the things that it does. Hopefully, any and all your questions got answered, and we'll talk to you soon.